world's first manned aerobatic racing drone flips the script. Literally. Developed by the Drone Champions League, this million-dollar marvel fuses drone agility with aircraft power, capable of jaw-dropping stunts like rolls, loops, and high-G maneuvers while carrying a human pilot. Its hybrid control system offers cockpit-based flight or remote operation, blending precision with thrill like never before. Unlike standard drones, this beast delivers the raw, immersive rush of aerobatic flying, part extreme sport, part airborne spectacle. It's not just a drone, it's a next-gen racing machine aimed at redefining aerial competition. Though exclusive for now, it's a bold glimpse into the future of adrenaline-fueled sky sports. Five roaring engines, one on the back, two on each arm, power gravity's astonishing 1,700 horsepower jet suit, matching the thrust of a Bugatti Veyron in a 30-kilogram, 66-pound backpack. Crafted from 3D printed polymer, aluminum, and titanium, this wearable marvel lifts pilots into the air with raw precision. Steering? It's all in the arms. Point down to soar, lift to descend. Powered by aviation fuel or diesel, it can rocket through the sky at speeds up to 136 kilometers per hour, 85 miles per hour. Crashes? Think falling off a motorcycle. Low-altitude flights over grass or water help keep it safe. This isn't science fiction. It's high-octane freedom, redefining personal flight for racers, rescue missions, and thrill-seekers alike. The Orb Nomad looks like it dropped straight from a sci-fi command deck. Wrapped in a sleek carbon composite shell, this compact aerial vehicle uses hidden electric duct fans for whisper-quiet vertical lift. No wings, no runways, just pure elegance. Step inside, and you're greeted by a digital cockpit with smart flight assistants, real-time environmental data, and intuitive controls that feel futuristic yet effortless. The wraparound canopy offers a panoramic view, making every flight feel like space travel. Built for solo urban mobility, the Orb Nomad isn't just a ride. It's a revolution in personal air transport. Stylish, efficient, and tech-forward, it upgrades the very way we connect with the skies. The Jet Racer by Frankie Zapata is a thrilling breakthrough in personal flight. This sleek, chair-like VTOL uses 10 micro-turbojet engines around its seat. No wings needed, to rocket pilots up to 250 kilometers per hour. Imagine soaring faster than a sports car, cutting through the skyline with incredible agility. Built on a lightweight modular chassis, it's highly maneuverable, perfect for solo travelers craving speed and freedom. Though its range is short, its versatility shines in both civilian and military roles. Plus, it can even be controlled remotely. The Jet Racer combines raw power with cutting-edge design, making it the ultimate adrenaline machine for the skies. The 2C flying car looks like it belongs in a superhero's garage. With foldable propellers and a sleek carbon fiber frame, it shifts from road mode to vertical flight in seconds. No runway needed. Perfect for tight urban spaces, it takes off straight up, turning traffic jams into air routes with ease. On the ground, it drives like a luxury car. In the sky, it glides like a drone. Powered by an electric propulsion system, it's quiet, clean, and efficient, with a flight range of up to 300 kilometers. Whether commuting across a city or escaping to the countryside, the 2C transforms daily travel into a high-tech adventure. The Martin Jetpack lets you fly like Iron Man. No wings, no cockpit, just a powerful 200 horsepower engine strapped to your back, lifting you straight up with twin duct fans. It reaches speeds up to 74 kilometers per hour and altitudes near 900 meters, perfect for adventures or emergency rescues. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame combined with a computer-controlled stabilization system ensures smooth, safe flights. Unlike risky rocket-powered jetpacks, this one is practical and reliable. Whether soaring over rough terrain or bypassing traffic jams, the Martin Jetpack delivers a real personal flight experience that's closer to science fact than fiction. Ready for takeoff? The Hoverbike S3 blends motorcycle thrill with drone innovation. 4 massive carbon fiber propellers lift this sleek machine several meters off the ground, reaching speeds up to 96 kilometers per hour. Powered by high-capacity lithium batteries, it offers about 25 minutes of pure flight time. Vertical takeoff and joystick controls make piloting intuitive and exciting. Its lightweight carbon fiber exoskeleton ensures agility and strength, while staying compact enough to fit in a standard garage. Approved for flight in select countries, the Hoverbike S3 redefines personal aerial transport, whether patrolling skies or making a jaw-dropping entrance. Ready to ride the future? The EHang VT30 redefines regional air mobility with its impressive 300 kilometers range and 100-minute flight time. This two-seater autonomous eVTOL uses 8 vertical rotors for smooth takeoff and landing, paired with a rear pusher propeller for efficient cruising. Crafted from lightweight carbon fiber composites, its fixed wings and inverted V-tail deliver aerodynamic stability. Safety is unmatched thanks to a triple redundant fly-by-wire system. Fully electric and emission-free, the VT30 charges in just 2 hours, offering a quiet and clean alternative to traditional air travel. More than an air taxi, it connects city clusters with futuristic style and efficiency. The VT30 expands urban mobility beyond the city limits, ready for the next era of flight. The EHang 216 is a game-changer in autonomous air travel. This fully electric eVTOL features 16 rotors on 8 arms, carrying 2 passengers without a pilot. It cruises at 130 kilometers per hour with a range of 35 kilometers and 21 minutes of flight time, perfect for quick urban hops. What really sets it apart? Full autonomy controlled remotely via 4G and 5G networks, navigating preset routes with zero manual input. Safety is paramount with multiple redundant systems, backup rotors, and batteries. Certified by China's Civil Aviation Administration, it's the world's first passenger eVTOL with type certification. Environmentally friendly, emission-free, and pushing the boundaries of future urban mobility. This is autonomous flight made real. The Leo Solo feels like a superhero's ride brought to life. This personal eVTOL is fully electric, emissions-free, and powered by 16 ducted fans hidden in a sleek carbon fiber body, delivering quiet, clean vertical lift from even the tightest urban spots. With a top speed of 250 kilometers per hour and a range over 80 kilometers, it's perfect for zipping across cities or taking bold solo adventures. Lightweight, compact, and intuitive to fly, it features stability systems and a cockpit that looks straight out of a sci-fi film. No bulky helicopter, no noisy drone, just futuristic freedom with style, speed, and smarts. The Pegasus E is where road meets sky in one stunning machine. With retractable rotors and a sleek carbon fiber body, it transforms from car to aircraft in seconds. Yes, it actually flies. Vertical takeoff? Check. Certified for air travel? Absolutely. With a flying range of up to 480 kilometers and speeds reaching 132 kilometers per hour, it's built for both quick escapes and regional hops. Despite its futuristic tech, it fits in a standard garage, no hangar needed. Whether you're dodging traffic or chasing the horizon, the Pegasus E delivers pure freedom with cutting-edge style. This isn't fantasy. It's a real hybrid revolution in personal transport. The Vertical Aerospace VAX2 is a silent, all-electric leap into the future of urban flight. With 8 powerful rotors and a sleek carbon composite frame, it lifts off vertically like a helicopter and cruises like a plane, emitting zero CO2. Designed for 2 passengers, it travels up to 160 kilometers at speeds of 160 kilometers per hour, perfect for fast city hops or short regional trips. Inside, it's smooth, quiet, and engineered for pure comfort. Safety? Top tier, with aviation-grade systems and redundant flight tech for total peace of mind. This isn't just transport. It's a clean, cutting-edge revolution in how we move through the skies. The Autoflight Prosperity Eye is a game-changer in urban air mobility. This sleek, all-electric eVTOL seats 4 and blends vertical lift rotors with a fixed wing and pusher propeller for ultra-efficient flight. With a 250-kilometer range and speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour, it connects city hubs fast without the gridlock or emissions. Its quiet operation and futuristic design make it ideal for both business and everyday travel. Built for safety, it features redundant systems and is ready for autonomous upgrades. Whether piloted or automated, Prosperity Eye turns the dream of flying over traffic into a clean, quiet, high-speed reality. Sleek, stealthy, and straight out of a sci-fi movie, the Blackbird redefines personal flight. This all-electric aircraft features tilt-rotor tech for vertical takeoff and high-speed cruising at up to 120 kilometers per hour. Its carbon fiber shell and minimalist cockpit ensure both aerodynamics and pilot safety, while the intuitive fly-by-wire system makes it feel like flying with a game controller. With a 100 kilometers range, it's perfect for solo urban escapes or off-grid missions. But what truly sets it apart? That's stealth-inspired design. Jet black, low noise, and razor-sharp lines. It doesn't just fly, it prowls the sky like a futuristic predator. It's not just transportation, it's a statement with wings.